5S. 5S is a workplace improvement technique. Help us to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of workplace and the process. What is 5S? 5S basically it's an acronym from the 5 words start with S, which in Japanese mean is Seiri, Seiton, Shisho, Seiketsu, and Shitsuke. Which English meaning Seiri means short out or shorting. Shorting means you have only two objectives. Either the thing, whatever at the workplace you need or you do not need. So we simply classified the items at the workplace needed or not needed. Items which is needed will keep at other side, and the item which is not needed we will remove from the workplace, which is we already identified that items are not needed. So we simply in the series or the sorting, we sort out at the workplace items. What we need, we will keep those. What we do not need, we will set them apart or will discard them. Second step, because we left only with the item is needed now. So in Seiton is called as an arrangement or segregation. Segregation as per the use or arrangement of the item as per the use. So maybe some item you need regular basis, frequency is very high. Some of the item you need at the low frequency, some of the item you need at very low frequency. Example wise, on the daily basis, weekly basis, or monthly basis. Example, if you go to your kitchen and you see what are the items that we need is for the tea or coffee making versus the lunch and the dinner making. So the item which we use regularly, probably we will keep, which is close to our reach. An item which we do not read regularly, maybe we'll keep them a little far so that we can occupy or utilize that space. That's what the meaning of segregation means. Arrangement of the item as per the need. Arrangement of items or articles as per need. Once we have done the arrangement, what we need and what we do not need in the series, then what we needed, we have arranged as per the requirement on the daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, regular or irregular basis. That is what called as a segregation in 5S. Third thing comes as in Shisho. Shisho means shining. Shining means keeping the work item neat and clean. Neat and clean doesn't only mean that you will be doing the brooming and mopping. Neat and clean means all the items should be properly labeled, kept at a place. In simply word, we will call this as an PEEP. PEEP stands for a place for everything and everything on its place. A place for everything and everything on its place, which means you should not change the address once you have identified an address for anything. So you are keeping the item at the workplace. You have defined a particular place for that. That item will be kept on that place, which is properly labeled, properly marked, so that you can easily identify this item belong to X place or this item belong to Y place. Identify a place for everything. Keep your item at that particular place only. Now in the Seiketsu talks about the standardization. Standardization means what if the label color for X item you are keeping in the red, then all those category of the X item should be kept in the red only. Simple example for this, again I will go back to kitchen only, like as you have the small boxes for spices, probably you must be keeping in one kind of boxes. If you have the items for the like as cereals and others, you will be keeping in a little bigger boxes, but almost the things are standardized so that your kitchen looks clean. Exactly in the similar way, when we are keeping the item, probably you see in your wardrobe or the bookshelf, X category of the books is on the left hand side and probably by category of the book is on the left hand side, right hand side. Arrange in a sequence, maybe as per the size, as per the number of page, as per the order of the authors, or as per maybe they are the self-help book, they are the business book, they are the books from the finance, or they are the books for the fictions. Exactly, this is what the standardization means all the thing. If you are using a red color as a marker or a bookmark, you will be using the red color. If you are using the green color bookmark for the self-help book, then you will be using the green color across all. Standardization, again, making the things standard, which means if anyone look for that, somebody maybe when next time you are adding a book, next time you are adding an item, for a particular category which you have already defined. So color, place, identification, marking should be done in the similar way as you have done before. That's what called as an standardization. Last one is the habit formation, which is also called as in sustain. Why S means sustain is the habit formation. Habit formation means you are creating or making a habit, that what are the step number 1, 2, 3, 4 you have followed, that you are going to maintain those. It comes with the audit, like as regular basis we'll be checking our items, either all the items from the step 1 series as in shorting, is there any additional item we have added which we do not need, please remove it out. If any of the item kept at a different place where it should not be, segregate and move it back to the place where it belong to. Signing if any of the item which you have belong, this is the new item added, which is not as per the label, it's not kept at a place, or it is not showing or demarked as the identified before, then do the same thing, make it shine neat and clean, label properly. Then standardization, make as per the items either you are keeping by name, you are keeping by size, you are keeping by colors, maintain that. And finally, habit formation, again, do and revisit on time to time basis so that any of the first and the previous 3 steps or 4 steps are followed or not followed. That's the simplest meaning of 5S. Again, 5S is a Japanese technique for the workplace improvement. If 5S you have implemented at your workplace, that will help you to improve your efficiency as well as effectiveness of the process. You will be able to identify it quickly, all the items where you kept, and it will help you to improve your productivity as well. Thank you so much.